Hi guys, in today's video I'll be taking you all through the process of me making this mini twist on my natural hair. No extension was added. So guys, if you're interested in this video, please do well to watch to the end and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let's dive right into the video. Okay, so guys, I have to cut out a lot of parts due to the quality of this video, but before the end of the video the quality was way better than this. Okay, so bear with me. Okay, and due to low storage and everything, I couldn't record this video. I don't even want to record this tutorial video because my storage was already full. I didn't know what to do. I was just so angry with my phone that I said I am not going to record. But at a point I decided to delete some things so that I'll be able to like record this video for you guys. All right, and I pray to God that before the end of this year I'm going to get a better phone for my YouTube channel. I pray God help me. So guys, I was making this hair early in the morning, early Wednesday morning. I started making this hair on Monday evening, and I just went to bed. Tuesday I didn't touch my hair till Wednesday morning when I decided to like finish up this hair. Okay, and the day wasn't bright enough, that is why the camera quality is like this, but as the day brightens up it is going to get better. All right, so guys, this is me basically twisting my hair. First of all, I braided the roots of my hair to avoid puffiness and to give me that neat look. You understand? You know that braids are tighter than twists, so starting your twist with braids will make your patterns to look very neat and also make your twist to last longer. All right, so guys, I made this twist to be very tiny. Like, these are literally micro twists. I made it this way so that the hair is going to last longer for me. I want to wear this hair for like 3 weeks or more. Okay, so that is why I made them this tiny. Okay, and for your braids to lay down, like, so that they won't be like poking upwards. If you want your braids to lay down, as you're braiding, let the middle part come under. Like, try doing the inner braids. I don't know if you understand, but your first braid, make the middle hair to go under. If you make the middle hair to go under, your braids are going to lay flat. So that was the technique that I used to make my braids lay flat and look neat. All right, and guys, if you don't know, I went on a 3 months hair growth challenge starting from, I think, July. I wore the braids for 3 months and I took it down in October ending, and in November I said to like style my hair, and on December 2nd I decided to put my hair in this mini twist. Yeah, it is okay to balance your hair growth journey. Wear your hair out, also wear your hair in a protective hairstyle so that you're going to gain some length. Okay, so I'm going to let you all watch to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Will you be trying out this hairstyle? Will you have the patience and the energy to actually try this out on your own hair? Let me know in the comment section, because this was a lot of work, but with determination and focus I was able to do it, and I'm so grateful to God for the strength. So guys, that is it for today's video. So watch to the end, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, bye.